Hi, I'm Anivartak, the founder of Green Voice Networks, an organization dedicated to empowering green entrepreneurs and catalyzing sustainable growth. So today, we are diving into a critical topic: water stewardship. You might know Nestlé, one of the world's largest food and beverage companies. It faced a monumental responsibility of managing water, an essential yet finite resource, with droughts, water shortages, and ecological challenges intensifying globally. Let's see how did Nestle respond and what we can learn from their journey as green entrepreneurs and business leaders striving to make a positive impact. Join me as we explore Nestle's strategic approach to water management and its broader implications for business worldwide. So let's jump into this fascinating case study. The challenge: understanding the magnitude.
Water is the essence of life, yet it's becoming increasingly scarce in many parts of the world.
Nestle, with its vast global footprint, realized that its reliance on water put the company at the forefront of a critical global challenge.
From Africa to Asia, communities were grappling with droughts and diminishing water supplies. For Nestle, the challenge wasn't just about maintaining operations, it was about ensuring that those operations didn't exacerbate the problem. In food and beverage production, water is a critical component. But this dependency also meant that Nestle had an opportunity and an obligation to lead by example in water stewardship.
The solution: Nestle's water resources reviews.
Nestle recognized that business as usual was no longer an option. They launched comprehensive water resources reviews across their global operations. These reviews were designed to thoroughly assess water usage, identify risks, and develop strategies for more sustainable consumption. This wasn't a superficial exercise. It was a deep dive into every aspect of water management, both at a corporate level and within local communities.
The goal? To reduce water withdrawals while maintaining production efficiency.
And the results were impressive: a nearly 50% reduction in water withdrawals per ton of product between 2010 and 2020. But Nestle didn't stop there. They knew that local problems required local solutions. By collaborating with communities, they developed water stewardship initiatives tailored to the unique needs of each region, ensuring that both the company and the environment benefited.
Localized impact collaboration and restoration.
Through these localized efforts, Nestle didn't just reduce water use, they helped restore balance to ecosystems and improve water availability for local communities. In areas once plagued by drought, rivers are flowing again, and communities have access to clean, sustainable water sources. Collaboration was key to this success. Nestle worked closely with local leaders, environmental experts, and NGOs to create solutions that were as much about giving back as they were about securing the company's future.
A global standard setting the bar for water stewardship.
Nestle's approach to water stewardship is now a global model for responsible business practices. They've shown that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand, and that corporations have a pivotal role to play in protecting the planet's resources. But this isn't just about Nestle. Their journey offers valuable lessons for businesses of all sizes, especially green entrepreneurs striving to make a difference. Whether you're running a small sustainable startup or leading a global corporation, the principles of proactive water management apply across the board.
Closing thoughts, lessons for all.
So guys, what we can take away from Nestle's story? The first lesson is that no business is too large or too small to play a role in global water stewardship. Localized solutions often yield the most sustainable results. And collaboration with communities is a key to long-term success. At Green Voice Networks, we fundamentally believe in the power of research, strategic insights, and sharing knowledge to drive sustainable growth. Nestlé journey reminds us that responsible management of resources isn't just good for business, but it's essential for the future of our planet. Thank you for watching. If you find this case study insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue to empower green voices and create a more sustainable world together. See you in the next video. Take care.